Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer steak fajitas. Let's begin. We're going to make the seasoning first. We'll need half a tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir everything all together. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. We're going to put that to the side. We have here petite bottom sirloin steaks, and it's around $8.99 per pound. We'll be using around 1.5 pounds of steak. We have here around 1.5 pounds of steak, and now let's cut it up. We're going to slice it up. There we go. We sliced it all up. It should look something like this. Next, we're going to season it with the seasoning we made. Just going to take it, sprinkle it on. Flip it over and do the same thing. Looking good. We're going to take the steak, try to get some of the seasoning on the cutting board, and we're going to put it into a bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Mix it in with the lime juice. The lime juice will help tenderize the meat. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it all in. Looking good. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. Mix that in. Looking good. Everything is nicely mixed in. We're going to put this to the side. We have here 1 green pepper all sliced up, 1 red pepper all sliced up as well, and half of a yellow onion all sliced up. We're going to add the leftover seasoning to the vegetables. Mix it in. Looking good. We're going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2. Mix in the oil with the vegetables. Looking good, everything is nicely mixed in. We're going to change out the gloves. We're going to cover them up with some plastic wrap. There we go, we covered them all up. We're going to put both of these in the fridge for 1 hour and we'll be back. Okay, the vegetables has been in the fridge for over an hour. You can let them marinate for between 1 to 2 hours. And now let's put the vegetables in the air fryer. Looking good, and now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 11 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been a total time of 6 minutes so far. We're just going to toss them around. There we go. looking good. Now we're gonna put it back in for the last 5 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 11 minutes at 400 degrees. And now let's put in the steak. I just took this out of the fridge. It's been in there for over an hour. Like I said before, you want to let the steak marinate in the fridge between 1 to 2 hours. Let's put it in. You're gonna spread out the steak. You want to make sure the steak is on top of the vegetables. And now let's put it in. We're gonna turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes at 400 degrees cooking the steak. Let's take it out. Looking great. Let's cut one steak open real quick. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer steak fajitas. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. We have here some flour tortillas, and I already have some warmed up right here. We also have here some salsa, and we're just gonna open it up, and some sour cream. Just gonna take some of the fajitas. We're gonna take some of the salsa. We're just gonna wrap it up. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.